Dobro jutro, Hrvatska. Welcome to Zagreb, Croatia. Now I do have a little bit of beef with Croatia. Iceland is always playing them in handball and in football, and we always lose. We just played them in handball the other day for a third place medal, but we lost. Now I'm checking out this. What should you call this? I'm not sure. Like I don't even know. A little park, I guess. Has a fountain here in the middle. And statue. And the big one over there. Yeah, this park is named after this guy, Kralj Tomislav. I don't know if I'm saying that correct, probably not. But yeah, it's a beautiful little open area. Would be a great place for a picnic. Tried to find some Croatian drinks and snacks, and I found this. I think all of these are Croatian. I tried to Google it, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. So, got two flavors of this drink, pineapple and mango and orange. So, oh yeah, they have like this thing at the top. You like push it down because it's clear in the bottle, and you push it down, and then you get the flavor into the water, I think. But yeah. Got some Croatian pastries called Savijača, I think. One with cheese and one with apples. And this is the view. Now it seems very obvious to point out that they're very Catholic here. And in fact, the Vatican flag is in two places just around the corner here. One right there. It's not very windy right now, so it's hard to see it, but here you go from the side. Yeah, and on the other side as well. It's funny because I was just there. Now this looks intriguing, but I don't think it would be very interesting for the vlog to just look at me sitting in a chair with a VR headset on, because you can't see what I'm seeing. Right here I'm coming up on the biggest street market here, the B.L.A market, I think that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, so I'm gonna check it out. They have a bunch of stuff, fresh fruit, flowers, all kinds of stuff. Right, here we are, coming over to the fruit and vegetable section. Now just right around the corner from the pastry shop, there's this lift contraption. It takes you up on the hill. I've never seen this kind of transport. It's like a tiny train. It just takes you up this hill. Now I'm taking these steps. I don't know if it takes me up top or not, I'm not sure. But on the top there is this tower, and every day at 12 they fire a cannon. So I'm going to see that. And from the top it offers an amazing view over the city. And this is the tower. Now it's not yet 12, so I'll have to chill a little bit up here. And I can show you guys the cannon. It's up there in the window. It's not very visible, but it's there. I'm thinking, how loud is it gonna be? That's the question. Right here, just a little walk from the tower. You have a nice view over to the church. Unfortunately, there's some construction around it, so I can't show how it really looks. I can throw up a picture of it, but yeah, fixing something or building something on top. But yeah, and right over here they have all these locks on it. Reminds me of the, I don't know the name of it, but the bridge in France. They put all these locks, and I'm guessing it's the same purpose of this like romantic gesture for a relationship. Like in France they have the same thing. But yeah, it's interesting. Kind of a random place to have it, unless there's some historic reason for it that I don't know. But yeah, great views up here. I mean, I tried to hold the camera still, but it still startled me. Now I am at the stadium of Dinamo Zagreb and going to head into the fan shop and get a shirt as well. So let's check out how this stadium looks. Looks pretty big from outside here. There's some like art pieces on all the walls here. Looks like a nice stadium. I would love to see a game, but unfortunately the only game they play while I'm in Zagreb is an away game, so I can't go see them. But we'll have to settle for seeing the stadium. And alright, apologies for the video just cutting off, but there were some guys in a car that like swerved and pretend they were going to like hit me with their car. So kinda threw me off, but yeah, I don't get that kind of humor. It's not very funny. This tunnel was made for the Second World War, and it runs completely under the upper town, so a long way. And this was used as a bomb shelter in World War II. Very interesting. I can imagine how scary it would be to be down here while bombs are dropping. And it appears it's not just a straight line, it goes out at multiple points. You can see this space over here is a little bigger, and then it closes back up again into the smaller size. And here is probably another way out, but they block it off. Oh yeah, that's scary. Alright, we are approaching the end of the tunnel, and when I exit I'll be at the other side of town.